Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What's going on? I hope you guys are doing great. You guys are all safe, healthy, and blessed. In this video, guys, I just want to make this like my culmination video about my Colt style AR9s here, right? You guys have seen, especially with the 635, all my, hacks, do it yourself, repairs, upgrades, changing this out, changing that out, all those struggles to get it working right. Okay, and of course, you guys recently saw what I did to the 633 here, right? Painted it up and all that jazz. Anyway, again, this video is a culmination video with all the information I have because they're both running 100% supersonic, subsonic, suppressed. Wonderful, guys. The previous video recently shot the DOE out to 200 yards with subsonic ammo, 142 grain pills. 200 yards, it can be done, and no jams, no failure to extracts, no failure to feeds, no failure to ejects, nothing like that. So once again, I'm making this video, guys, and going to share you all the info I have about these. That way you guys can use it as a reference to help yourself or someone you know who's having issues as well. All right, so let's start with the 633 right there down below. Actually, let me start with what they are externally, what they have externally, right? They're basically the same firearm, just difference in barrel length, front sight, and forend. That's the only difference, okay? And in this case, that's a spikes lower. That's an H&R lower. But other than that, those are the major differences, okay? H&R braces, Hogue pistol grips, mil-spec hammers, fire control groups, sorry, with bobbed hammers. I bob the hammers to mitigate any type of trigger slap because I experienced it with the DOE, okay? Charging handles, I installed the Strike Industries extended charging handle latch on both of those, okay? Optics, Sig Romeo 7S, green dot, primary arms SLX. I don't remember the model, but that is the 30mm tube with the ACSS-CQB reticle. That's with the donut chevron and 2 bullet drop compensation dots. Okay, Streamlight ProTac weapon light. Both are running YHM muzzle devices. The 633 DOE is running the single port brake. The 635 is running the Mini Phantom flash hider, okay? And both are running YHM blast deflectors. I do believe that's the Gen 1, that's the Gen 2. Gen 2 has like a grenade-style body or texturing, okay? And I think, yeah, that's it. That's it externally, all right? Now, let's talk about what I have inside the 633, okay? 633 is running a standard carbine spring, okay? KK Industries enhanced PCC buffer that has the spring-loaded head, and this one is weighing in at 8.6 ounces. That one has, if I'm not mistaken, the yellow buffer tail, okay? As for the bolt, of course, I swapped out the factory bolt weight, installed the KK Industries tungsten bolt weight, bringing in the entire action weight up to 25.1 ounces. Now, I know Blowback 9 says it should be 22 ounces or more. That's his baseline. Mine, honestly, I like 23 ounces as my baseline, but 25, I feel real comfortable in. That is like, put your feet up and go to town, kind of comfortable, all right? So that's 25.1. All right, now on to the 635. 635, guys, the buffer spring I'm running just because I wanted to give it a try is carbine length flat buffer spring. Did I, do I hear any difference or feeling? Nothing. Honestly, I don't. And it does, personally, it doesn't make much of a difference. Maybe there's a small sound reduction, but it's really not that bad. It's not, there's really no difference. It's not extraordinary. There you go. All right, so the buffer weight on the 635 is the KK Industries PCC buffer weighing in at 10 ounces. and they're usually out of stock on the website. But when I weigh it, it's 11 ounces here at home. So a little more never hurts, right? So once again, KK Industries PCC buffer, 10 ounce, right? And that one does not have the spring-loaded head, just typical dead blow, okay? Also, took out the factory bolt weight, installed the tungsten bolt weight, bringing in the combined weight, guys. Whoa, when I weighed it, I was kind of like, whoa, I had to double check. But it's coming in at a combined weight of 27.8 ounces. That's heavy. But you know what, guys? It lends towards a very soft shooting experience. And the 635 is soft shooting. It's great. I love it. I love shooting it. The wife loves shooting it. And it's awesome. Really, really is awesome. So there you have it, guys. Hope this helps. Hope it helps you in your endeavors. And if you know someone who's having similar issues that I ran into, right, or your typical issues with AR9, blowback AR9s, you know, you can always use this video and the information I have in it. All right. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe out there. God bless you all. And God have mercy on us all.